Want to make talking animals video?
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. Oh, you got...
First, head over to the website shown on your screen. Start by creating an account. Just tap on the sign up button, enter your email and password, and you're in. Now it's time to upload your image. Tap the plus icon, choose your photo, and then select the song you want your animal to sing or speak with. Once that's set, hit Generate. Wait a few seconds, and your talking animal video will be ready. If you want to remove the watermark, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. To download your video, just tap the download icon. Want to go beyond music? You can also type custom text for the animal to say, or even record or upload your own voice clip. And that's not all. This platform also offers a collection of other fun and creative AI tools worth exploring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss what's coming next.